All right, so for DMR, we're still reviewing ratios and how to write them. So you have an assortment of chocolates contains exactly 6 nut clusters, 3 truffles, 5 pecan, and 10 fruit creams. Choose the answer to correctly complete the statements below. So you have the ratio of pecan to nut clusters is. So what comes first? I am going to highlight. What comes first? Pecan. So I'm looking in my question and I have 5 pecan. So that's first. 5. And they're not specifying which way I need to write this ratio. So I can write it however I want. So I'm going to use the colon. 5 colon and then 2 nut clusters. Okay, so I have these clusters and I got to look at how many of them. Here's the nut clusters. So I have to put that number. So it would be 5 to 6. The ratio of fruit creams, okay, so fruit creams to pecan is fruit creams to pecan. So how many fruit creams do I have? I'm looking at my problem. That's clusters, truffles, pecan. Here's my fruit cream. Oops. Oop, 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 oop. Here's my fruit creams. So I'm going to highlight those blue to match. Fruit creams, 10. Colon, pecan. Oh, well, it's yellow, so I'm going to make it now orange. Pecan, there's 5. Then they want to know the ratio of truffles to total chocolates in the assortment. Total chocolates. So truffles, 3 truffles, 3 truffles. To how many total chocolates? Well, total means add. So I need to add. So 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 14 plus 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I get 24. So my ratio would be 3 to 24. Okay, that's how we do our ratios for DMR today.